Hi everyone, welcome back to the third part of the series and also the third topic, content. What is content? We are all familiar with content. We have also heard the saying, is content king? And in many cases it is, and that holds good for search engine optimization as well. What are the different types of content that can happen on your website? This is a standard structure of a website. We have your home page, we have your services page, you could have our about us page, you have your contact us and your testimonials and any other pages of content that your client may have or that you may have created for yourself. Now what needs to be done is to target the kind of keywords which we are targeting, and what we have done so far is we have created optimized pages, which could mean that my home page is targeting SEO expert, my services page is targeting SEO services, about us page could target something like an SEO consultant, etc. Now I may have figured out, say around let's take 25 great keywords. Now initially you may get a little excited when you are doing keyword discovery. You may find 40 to 50 or 60 different keywords which you can go for. As you will learn, as you will go into the link building strategies, you will learn that to target each keyword there is a separate amount of effort and campaigns that are going to go into it. Thus it makes it important to start with a reasonable number of good keywords and then build on keywords as you proceed further. A good target is around 15 to 20 keywords or 25 keywords would make a good target. Now in the case of this client, he has just 5 pages. There are smaller websites, there are bigger websites. There could be clients who have like 5,000 pages. Right? Now what the thing is, the main pages which are there, the main information pages, you have optimized these as we learned in the last video, how to optimize these around the specific keywords. Now what we want to do is, out of 25 keywords, we have 5 pages out here. What do I do with the remaining 20 keywords which I have? Can I create pages of content underneath this? Yes, you can create. There are many people who create like an article section or a resources section in which they would create HTML pages and they would basically target the remaining 20 keywords through your resources section. Disadvantage of that is, one is you need to get back to your designer or your programmers. They will need to sit, they will work on the pages, get the design, HTML and technology. But there is a very much easier solution which is available, and that solution is called set up a blog. Blogging is basically people sharing information about things which they are passionate about. It could be about sports, news. In my case, my blog is about teaching people about SEO and search engine marketing and various such strategies and link building strategies and traffic generation strategies. So, blog is a good way to target the keywords which we are missing out here. But what all can you put, or what kind of content can you put up on your blog? Good types of content for a blog, obviously articles. Internet is a content based, which means it's an article based system, is reliant on information to understand and give importance and search. Articles make good this thing. So if you are targeting, say, a keyword SEO expert, which is a homepage keyword, I could very well have been targeting SEO services as well. If I'm targeting a keyword SEO expert, I could easily write an article about it, how to hire a SEO expert, top 25 strategies by an SEO expert. So I can create different kind of titles, but which are focused around the keyword which I want to target.